What is going on, everyone? My name is Adam Mallard with Pragmatic Ways, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the difference between passing variables by value and passing variables by reference. Alright, so first I'm going to start by pass variable by value, because this is probably what most of you are already doing right now. So I'm going to create a function. It's going to return nothing, so void, and it's going to be called 1 year older. It's going to accept one argument, an integer called age. And the idea behind this function is that I will call it on my birthday, because what happens on your birthday, you are 1 year older. So all I'm going to do is just increment the age variable by 1. So now inside the main program, I'm going to create a new variable, and this is going to actually be my age. And I'm going to set that to 25. And then I'm just going to output to the console what my age is. You are my age, cannot type, years old. So I made a variable, set it to 25, and then I output what that variable equals right now. Now I'm going to call the function 1 year older, pass in my age variable to it, and then I'm just going to re-output what that value is. So Control C, Control V, but I'm going to say you are now my age years old. And let's see what happens with this. So I'm going to run the program. And I'm going to put in new lines here so we can read it better. And I'm going to run the program again. There we go. So now you can see. Okay. Now you can see, so I'm real picky with that. Now you can see, so outputs 25 years old, which makes sense from right there. And then I call the function, and then it outputs 25 again. Because what this is doing, passing by value, is you're actually just passing the value, hence the name pass by value. So it's actually just taking a copy of it. So when it sees pass by value, all right, or it sees this function, the program's going to come up here and be like, oh, all right, we're passing a variable by value. So we're taking this variable. What is the value of this variable? 25. All right, only copy the value 25. So pass by value, think of making, oh my gosh, think of making a copy of the var, not the actual var itself, okay? So that's all it's doing, is it's just passing the value of it. It's passing a copy of the variable. So anything that happens to that variable inside this function doesn't reflect to this variable itself, because all it is just a copy. But what happens if we pass by variable, or pass by reference instead now? And in order to do that, we're going to put the ampersand in front of there. And I'm going to comment all this out so it doesn't conflict. So same exact main code, but a new function which is passed by reference instead. And then I'm going to run that. And now any change that actually happens to the variable, it actually does happen to the variable itself. Any change that happens inside the function to the parameter, it actually reflects on the argument itself, on the variable that you passed in to it. So it's not just making a copy, you're actually sending the variable itself. So hopefully you can understand it a little bit better now. Let me comment this. This is a pass by reference, okay? So pass by value, you're only passing the value. You are actually passing a copy of it. But pass by reference, you're passing the variable itself. So any changes that happen to a reference variable inside of a function actually end up reflecting on the variable that you passed in the first place. So I'm going to stop it here, because I'm even going a little bit longer than what I wanted in the first place. I wanted this just to be a nice, quick, very simple example. So if you have any questions, still a little bit confused, go ahead and drop it in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe the video if you did like it. And as always, I will see you guys next time.